It's not easy knowing where to start, especially when you've not had prior interactions with electric scooters. Not to worry, that's why we're breaking this section into price categories, with what to expect in each, the suitability of featured scooters for your riding experience, and what you get by stretching your budget a little more. Number 1. Hiboy S2 Series Electric Scooter. The 350W electric brushless hub motor allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour high-capacity battery, with a max travel range of 17 miles under specific conditions. And our product has passed stringent UL 2272 testing. Extremely smooth when accelerating and turning, Hiboy electric scooter have been made of solid and durable quality with solid tires and a whole frame. Being safer with technology, Hiboy electric scooter S2 is made with front, middle, and rear 3 lights. The double braking system features a disc braking and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking. Simply connect Hiboy electric scooter's app to lock your scooter, to customize speed and cruise control unique to the Hiboy S2 app. It works with both iPhones and Android smartphones. Hiboy e-scooter collapses for easy storage in car trunks and closets, beneath subway seats, and inside other compact spaces. An extra detachable scooter seat is available for a more comfortable option. Hiboy S2 electric scooter is designed to be a durable and comfortable city commuting electric scooter. 12-month or 6-month guarantee for different parts. Please refer to the product details below. Number 2. Gyroor H30 Max Electric Scooter. The Gyroor H30 Max Kids Electric Scooter is equipped with a 21.6V/2.6 Ah battery. The 150W motor offers speeds of 6/8/10 mph and handles climbs of up to 10 degrees, supporting a maximum weight of 132 pounds. This high-performance motorized scooter promises an exhilarating riding experience. The electric scooter for kids boasts a dual brake system comprising an electronic brake and a foot brake. Even at high speeds, it can come to a complete stop within a short distance. Additionally, the rear fender brake on these electric scooters for kids aged 8 to 12 helps prevent splashes from rain and mud. Designed for kids ages 6 to 14, this electric scooter is equipped with flashy lights on the panel. It also features a built-in Bluetooth speaker on the bottom of the panel, allowing you to connect your phone and play music. Enjoy your rides on this top-rated electric scooter for kids while immersing yourself in your favorite tunes. The Kids Electric Scooter offers adjustable height options of 34, 36, 38. The electronic throttle is conveniently located on the right side of the handlebar. With a net weight of only 13.2 pounds, this motorized scooter for kids aged 6 to 12 boasts a lightweight and convenient design, making it easy for kids to ride. Number 3. Razor E100 Glow Electric Scooter. Hop on the Razor E100 Glow that shines like a bolt of blue lighting. Designed for riders age 8 and up, the E100 Glow electric scooter features a kick-to-start 100-watt motor that provides speeds up to 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, just enough to thrill younger riders. Its simple twist grip acceleration control and hand-operated brake help kids take confident control of their ride. The 8-inch, 200mm pneumatic front tire provides ample cushion to smooth out rough surfaces. With the LEDs on the deck that light up when throttle is twisted, the Razor E100 Glow electric scooter offers up to 40 minutes of fun, glowing, electric-powered ride time. Glow wherever you go with the Razor E100 Glow, with the blue LEDs that light up each time you twist the throttle. The electric-powered ride fun is elevated to the next level. The 100-watt, chain-driven motor provides speeds up to 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour. Just enough speed to thrill riders age 8 and up. Razor E100 Glow features intuitive twist grip acceleration control and hand-operated brake that help younger riders to build confidence on this electric-powered ride. Number 4. Segway Ninebot E2 Plus electric scooter. Up to 16 miles range in eco mode and 12 miles in sport mode with a 220Wh smart battery, perfect for daily commutes or weekend rides. Simple handlebar controls, smooth acceleration, and stable design make it easy and fun for riders of all levels. Age 14 plus. Durable frame supports up to 198 pounds and performs reliably across all seasons. Tested for temperature extremes from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. 8.1-inch inner hollow shock-absorbing tires reduce bumps and vibration for a smoother ride on city streets or uneven paths. Recharge fully in approximates 7.5 hours with advanced battery management for longer battery lifespan and worry-free charging. Double spring suspension absorbs shocks from rough roads, ensuring greater comfort and control on every ride. UL 2271 and UL 2272 certified for electrical safety, battery protection, and peace of mind on every trip. Number 5. Caroma electric scooter. Caroma electric scooter is equipped with a 350W rear wheel motor that delivers up to 630W of powerful power, which makes the scooter reach max speed 20 miles per hour and ride on 20 degrees max slope easily. Thanks to the 285Wh large capacity battery and superior battery management system, you can reach travel range up to max 20 miles. Caroma electric scooter adults can take you anywhere in the city and is also the perfect solution for the last mile of your commute. Auto triple lighting system, automatic headlight, tail light, and pedal light. Lights up road of night riding. Adjustable height handlebar, 40-inch 46. Fits for teens and adults. 9-inch honeycomb solid tires are explosion-proof, anti-puncture, and self-healing. Rear shock absorber brings up comfortable riding experience. Dual braking system, ABS and drum braking. Make sure riders can safely stop scooter in seconds. Connect the mobile app to the electric scooter's Bluetooth. You can control speed mode, cruise control, headlight, and pedal light. At the same time, you can record the data of each ride so that you can easily enjoy riding. The LED display shows real-time speed, battery life, speed mode, and cruise control. With multifunctional button console, riders can easily control headlight, switch speed mode, activate cruise control. In order to meet the different needs of use from teens to adults, the electric scooter is equipped with 3 speed gears: 9.3 mph/15.5 mph/20 mph.